My name is Ben Connor. I'm a crew foreman here at Dalinghaus Construction. My day-to-day here at Dalinghaus Construction as a foreman, basically it can be anything from starting a job to the process of completing a job to finishing up a job and the final cleanup. And it's a lot of interaction with the clients because they're number one as far as us getting our jobs done. We want to keep them happy. We want to take their concerns into consideration throughout the process and keep them involved as much as possible. I mean, the home has a lot more value than just a roof over their head. That's where their family grew up. It's sentimental, and a lot of times throughout the process of the settlement, it can be devastating to the homeowners seeing something that meant so much to them, it has so many memories, kind of settling and kind of decaying in a sense. And so what we do is we restore not only the home but the inner peace that the homeowners have. They're spending a lot of money to have done what we're doing to their home and to restore it, and so being able to make them happy and to create that relationship, that friendship with them, that my work enables me to do. I've been at Dalinghaus Construction for about 4 months now. Been in the industry for a good 8 years. I personally like digging. I mean, it might sound crazy, but I really like the exercise. It gives me time to like kind of meditate in a sense and like just appreciate my health and my crew. It's a whole process, and that process involves everything from my own role as a leader and as a teacher and as a mentor in a sense. Basically being able to guide these guys to be more efficient, to be worth more money, to be of more value, not only to the company but to themselves and their family, those that they touch. At Dalinghaus, we're a family. I mean, everybody from the office people to the field people to the owners. I mean, at any time I feel comfortable enough that I can reach out to anybody for assistance, for help, whether on the clock or off the clock, and that right there is a great feeling. I absolutely love my job. I love this company. Like I spoke earlier on previous companies I worked for, it was a lot of traveling, it was a lot of being away from family and home and everything, but Dalinghaus gives me an opportunity to be there with my family on a day-to-day basis and to be able to be close with them and not just supporting them from a distance kind of thing. What I love the most to do when I'm not working and I'm not providing for my family is actually spending time with my family. I have a 5-year-old son, I have a 13-year-old daughter, and I have obviously a fiance that we will be married shortly, but I spend a lot of time with my son. I love to go fishing. I love going bike riding. I love going to the parks, to the trampoline parks. I love the sparkle in his eye, and there ain't nothing in the world that can beat at the end of the day when he tells me, "Daddy, me had the best day ever." So coming from where I come from, the family structure wasn't exactly ideal. My mom and my grandmother did the best they could. For me, keeping my family strong, you know, being the dad that I never had, that means the most to me, and being at Dalinghaus Construction, I'm more than able to fulfill that. The only fun fact I can think of is basically just having a good time and enjoying life and making the most of what you have, no matter what. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and I hope you've learned a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to helping you with your home's foundation problems. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to me.